After struggling with various AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek AI, Microsoft Copilot, you name it, I came up with an innovative strategy that combines some of their unique features to predict future market behavior. The idea is simple yet powerful, using AI-driven insights to create a trading strategy that leverages candlestick patterns, trends, and market forecast for more accurate entry points. You might be wondering, how does this work? Well, imagine an indicator that tracks every market movement. Whenever a bullish engulfing candle appears on the chart, as the market moves, the indicator picks up on the changes triggered by that candle. Then it does something pretty cool. It takes the specific market move triggered by the bullish engulfing candle and projects it into the future. And not just anywhere in the future, but starting from the most recent live candle on the chart. This gives us an idea of how the market might behave for the next few candles, at least. Now, let's say you have a buy-sell indicator that prints a buy signal during this upward market move. You could use it as extra confirmation for a long trade. This is exactly how we're going to use this indicator. We'll combine it with a buy-sell indicator and a trend confirmation tool to create a simple yet powerful strategy. Let's add the indicators to the chart. First, click on Indicators, then type Pattern Forecast and select this one right here. Now, looking at the input settings for the indicator, we can see there's an option to choose which candlestick pattern you want to scan. Check out all these options. For this video, we'll stick with bullish and bearish engulfing candles. This one also lets you adjust how many forecast candles you want to display in the future. The event divider separates the live candles from the forecast candles. The display event highlights historical candles that will be used for the forecast. The buy-sell indicator we're using is called Twin Range Filter, created by this amazing author. Big shout out to them. Now, let's search for a trend confirmation indicator. Let's go with this super trend indicator by this amazing author. And fear not, because we are using more than 2 indicators, and I know that you're scratching your head and asking yourself, oh, I have a free plan of trading you, so you have 2 options. First, because with my strategies and risk management, you're gonna make way more than that. But if you insist using the free plan, make sure to watch the video until the end, because I will show you a couple of ways to go around that and use more than just 2 indicators on the free plan. Next, we'll modify the super trend indicator settings to make it less sensitive to price so it tracks longer term trends. We're going to use the super trend indicator as a trend confirmation tool. When the price is consistently above it, that's a bullish trend. When the price stays below it, that's a bearish trend. The trend range filter will give us buy and sell entry signals. When it prints a buy signal, followed by a future price prediction moving upwards, we'll go for a buy. On the flip side, if it prints a sell signal with a price prediction going downwards, we'll sell. Now let's go over the conditions for entering trades with this strategy. But before that, I want to introduce you to my trading family at Bybit. I'm handing you over to my dear friend, Michael.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
Alright, back to the strategy. To take a long trade, here's what we need. First, the super trend indicator should be green and the price should be above it, indicating a bullish trend. Second, the trend range filter should print a buy signal. This now becomes our potential entry candle. For final confirmation, we'll activate the pattern forecast indicator and go into the input setting to make sure bullish engulfing is selected. This is what the indicator predicts will happen with the price. For the trade setup to be valid, the predicted price pattern needs to be beyond our take profit level without touching the stop loss. To confirm, take the long position tool and place it on the open of the first predicted candle. The stop loss goes below the most recent swing low, and the take profit is set at 2 times the risk, aiming for a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. Looking at this, we can see indicator predicts the price will definitely surpass our take profit level without hitting the stop loss, making this a valid trade setup. We let it run and wait for the take profit. For a short trade, the process is the opposite. First, the super trend indicator should be red and the price should be below it, indicating a bearish trend. Second, the trend range filter prints a sell signal. This becomes our potential entry candle. For confirmation, we'll activate the pattern forecast indicator again and ensure the bearish engulfing pattern is selected. This is the price prediction for the trade. For the trade to be valid, the predicted price must go beyond our take profit level without touching the stop loss. Place the short position tool on the first predicted candle's open. Set the stop loss above the most recent swing high and take profit at 2 times the risk for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. Looking at this, we can see the indicator predicts the price will exceed our take profit level without hitting the stop loss, confirming it as a valid trade setup. Let it run. And take profit. This is just one way to use this indicator. Feel free to experiment and see what strategies you can develop. Just remember, always do thorough back testing and forward testing of any trading strategy before risking real money. And as promised earlier, if you're still insisting on the fact to stay on the free plan of TradingView, check out the top recommended videos on the right and left to learn how to use more than just 2 indicators on the free plan of TradingView or even the paid version. That doesn't matter. And make sure to check the videos on the bottom left and right to learn how to turn any trading strategy into a bot with alerts, all for free. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.